All right, let's look at the homework 5.3, 5.4, problem number 2. All right, so let's evaluate this integral here. All right, so I'm going to use the substitution. I'm going to let u be the expression inside the square root. So this whole thing is going to be u right there. All right, so let's go through the usual drill. So we're going to let u be 2x squared plus e to the x. Right? Then we can take the derivative du over dx is equal to 4x plus derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Right? And then we're going to take the reciprocal of both sides. So you have dx over du is equal to 1 over 4x plus e to the x. All right, then we can just multiply through by du so that we can isolate dx. So dx is du over 4x plus e to the x. All right, so we can rewrite this integral as, all right, I'm going to leave quantity 4x plus e to the x as it is. Then we have a square root of u, right? Then dx is equivalent to du over 4x plus e to the x. All right, so luckily we can cancel 4x plus e to the x on top and exactly the same thing sitting on the bottom. We can cancel them out. So once you clean it up, you have integral. Right? I don't like square roots, so I'm going to write it as a u to the 1/2 power, and then with respect to u. Right? So this is a power rule, so we can just add 1 to the power. So if you add 1 to 1/2, it's going to be 3/2. And divide by 3/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/3. Right? Then plus some constant, c. All right, then we can just put the original expression back in for u. So you have a 2/3. All right, then u was originally 2x squared plus e to the x, and raise it to the 3/2 power, and plus some constant c. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we found that to be at 2/3. All right, 2/3. And quantity, right, 2x squared plus e to the x, raise it to the 3/2 power, and I'm going to just get rid of those parentheses there, and plus some constant c. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.